Yes, I'm sitting here in Latvia in the Forta office, and we have just finished the Ekgarden project in south of Stockholm. It's a rental apartment project with 30 apartments, 1,700 square meters. Together with Forta, we done it. Perfect project. We done it modular. It was really quick. We signed the contract together with Forta in December, and all the rental guests were moved in the 1st of October. So that's the benefit of using modular, and also the quality and the good cooperation together with Forta was an extremely important thing.